Hey guys, welcome to the MS Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the string functions. So let me take the first function, which is the length function. Length function is used to calculate the number of characters in a string. It includes the blank spaces as well. Now let me show you with the help of an example. I open up MS Excel. Now you could see here in this particular string, Kiki, do you love me? Let's calculate the length of this particular string. How do I write the function? You can write equal len and then give the reference of the text, close the parenthesis and press the enter key. You get 21 number of characters in this particular string. So here you get the answer. I'll show you another example without using the references. Say you want to calculate the length of a particular string, for example, hello. You have to write it in double quotes and then close the parenthesis and press the enter key. You get the length of that particular string as 5. So with this, I conclude the length function, the MS Excel. Thank you.